Traders, today is Friday, September 13th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So, on the monthly pound dollar, I definitely am still very bullish. I think that we're either going up for an expanding wave C, which would bring us all the way up here, or possibly a running wave C, which would make a lower high, possibly making a lower high compared to these highs. Not that important to know the difference yet, in my opinion, because either way it should continue the uptrend. So going down to the weekly time frame, I still think this is the end of a wave 2. I think this is a 1. I think this is a 2 of wave 3. So 1 of 3, 2 of 3, and we're most likely in that wave 3 of 3. A wave 3 is supposed to be the biggest, strongest wave of a trend, so it should continue to make higher highs, higher lows, at least on these higher time frames. Taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I've definitely been looking for 1, 2, 3 waves down, a Fibonacci bounce, and a golfing move to the upside, and that's definitely what we have. This is very likely gonna just keep on trending up from here. I do have an alternative count that I'll show you on the sort of time frames, but it does kind of look like an ABC correction that could be already complete. Going down to the 4 hour time frame. So on the 4 hour time frame, I'm definitely looking for longs now because we do have a breaker structure. And if while I'm looking for longs, if it just continues the uptrend, I'll part of this wave 3 on the higher time frames. That's actually great news for us. But while I'm looking for longs, if this is actually not the continuation of the uptrend, but this is actually supposed to be a wave A, this is supposed to be a wave B, and this is supposed to be a wave C, like a running flat or an expanding flat wave B, then hopefully we'll better recognize that also and potentially go short one more time for the wave C before it actually does end up continuing the uptrend. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. So 1 hour time frame, I'm definitely looking for longs right now, but while I'm looking for longs, if it goes up to any one of these Fibonacci extension levels, makes an engulfing move down, makes a breaker structure, I'm definitely going to switch it up and go short because I do suspect that this could go down. I suspect that this could be a running flat wave B. And if it is a running flat wave B, then we're going to get another big push down for a wave C, like I was explaining on the 4 hour time frame. But like I said earlier, I'm definitely looking for longs right now, and if this really is the continuation of the uptrend, which it looks like it could be on the daily, then I'll just continue to look for longs every single chance I get. We'll never get that Fibonacci bounce, we'll never get that breaker structure, so I'll never go short, and I'll just continue to look for longs, hopefully in the continuation of this uptrend for wave 3. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner, and as always, thank you and happy trading.